In a sunny meadow, a little bee named Zuzu buzzed proudly. "I'm the fastest, the strongest, and the best at collecting nectar," he boasted. The other bees stayed quiet and kept working. One day, Zuzu dived into a big flower. He gathered so much pollen that his tiny wings got stuck. "Help! I can't fly," he cried. Hearing his call, the other bees rushed in. Together, they pulled and freed him from the heavy pollen. Zuzu lowered his head. "Thank you, friends. I see now, no bee is greater than the hive. Alone I am weak, but with you, I am strong." From then on, Zuzu worked humbly with the others, and the hive grew sweeter than ever. Moral: true strength comes from unity, not pride.